Aniket, you are a very good student. You have scored around 624 in NEET. It is a remarkable number. So, getting this marks and coming to China. Hello everyone, this is Dr. Shamik from Omkar Medicom. We have reached China, and this is Aniket, who is doing MBBS in China. He has come over here in the first year. We will ask his experience about the travel. First of all, you have traveled from Delhi to Hefei. So how was your travel?
Overall, the whole trip was completely fine. It was a good experience, at least according to me, as it is my first time going to international or on a flight. So according to me, it was a smooth experience. Like there were no difficulties or any problems regarding visa or anything.
How Omkar Medicom has helped you in this traveling journey? How me myself traveling with you, and how was it helpful for you? How important do you feel?
I think Dr. Shamik has been acting as our guide during the whole process, because we are basically entering an unfamiliar territory here. So we need someone who can guide us and share his own thoughts about this place and make us understand like what are the rules here and that. So during the whole journey, Dr. Shamik was helpful, and I think he made the time considerably shorter and assisted us during the packaging and the baggage also.
Like I'll be assisting you for all around your MBBS tour over here, like MBBS course, all around your 5 years of study. We'll be helping you, and now we'll help you to see the campus as well. How you feel about the campus coming to China? How do you feel?
The main thing about here is that it's a peaceful atmosphere. Basically, in Hefei it is a good atmosphere with like mean temperature about 22-23 degrees Celsius. So it's a good place to study, at least according to me.
And how developed do you feel China is when you are coming from India?
Yes, there is differences. I would not say there is a major difference, but yes, there are differences. Like on day-to-day basis, you will notice them. Like you will notice that the development of China is ahead of India.
क्या आपको डॉक्टर बनना है पर सही रास्ता नहीं पता? चाइना में MBBS, lowest fees government universities, NMC approved, full English medium and safest country. Top medical universities में admission 100% confirmed. Call Omkar Medicom. 15 साल से आपका भरोसेमंद साथी.
Like we will get to see today the hospital campus also. It is having a 12,000 bedded hospital. It's a vast hospital. The dormitories, we'll get your dormitories now itself. And on your travel, you have seen many students been leftovers traveling alone. How you feel? It becomes a big difference of if someone's traveling alone and someone traveling with us.
The major problem I think with traveling alone is that if by chance, unfortunately, there is some kind of complication. Like in the whole process, there are many steps. Like immigration, there is immigration, visa. You need to get the visa. You need to get biometric. It is a whole process. So if you get stuck on one, then it is absolutely like terrible. So I think individually it is quite hard, very hard, to actually take admission or reach China.
Aniket, you are a very good student. You have scored around 624 in NEET. It is a remarkable number. So, getting this marks and coming to China, you're a good student. What you look forward about studying here? Why you look forward about studying?
I look forward to learning newer and a better experience here in China. I look forward to learning all about medicine, like MBBS there is, and see how I think it will be a different experience for me than in India I was. So yes, it will be a good experience.
For sure, this is one of the most advanced country with a very good medical facilities. You will get to learn a lot.
Definitely.
Moreover, like when you're over here, you will have a good experience. Today is just your first day. Hopefully, you will have a great experience, and wish you become a successful doctor. Pursue hard. Thanks.
Want to study abroad without burdening your parents? Omkar Medicom offers pre-approved scholarships in China. Call us today.
Do you want to learn robotic surgery at your MBBS level? That too without paying anything extra. Then contact Omkar Medicom right now.
Thank you for watching our video. Kindly like, share, comment and subscribe. We upload new videos of different universities every week. See you in our next video.